This is January 24th, 1988. Just checked into our room at Circus Circus, and I'm shooting this out of our window on the 29th floor. And this is just the tip of the iceberg of lights. It's unbelievable. I'm trying to move slow so I can stay focused. I think right there is looking down the strip. Here's Gloria coming out of the throne.
Nice.
Around, so I'm not shooting backs. See how happy you are to be here.
I'm happy, but 29 floors is too much for me.
Here it is, January.
Las Vegas, Nevada. Oh, I guess we're not in Las Vegas. Take a picture, Doug. Take a picture.
Hi.
Beautiful weather.
Make sure there's somebody in the picture. The picture won't be amount to a hill of beans.
You don't take a picture here, Doug.
I want to.
But that's okay. Get a person in it though too, Doug.
I like to take a picture of
And here's Hoover Dam. What do you think, Tom?
you. So picturesque, isn't it? Oh.
There's the
Look
back
at
that
the
Gloria's
lumber.
had.
How would you like to have them build that thing?
Doug wanted to know how you'd like to build it, Tom.
You have such
Mike,
an engineering mind.
Gloria, could you move your head?
I'd like to, but
Please?
can't you move?
Isn't your mom going to get him? Come on, see it?
Yep.
Right, that was one of the turbines.
This was walking around.
Did I?
Here's Gloria and Doug getting out of the car, getting ready for their 5-mile walk. And doesn't she look excited, huh?
I'm going to enjoy watching you guys.
Ma's going to stay back and relax.
That's right.
Well, we'll hustle fast as we can here.
We're in Arizona right now,
Way
I
back
think.
by the towers. We have
No idea.
Sure, I figured on spending, most of the day doing this, so I'm really not going to just drive up here, turn around, and drive back. I don't know. You are?
I want to stop at Target.
Say
Can
something
you hear
nice.
her chewing?
There's Gloria waiting in line to get the tickets. Say hi to the kids.
Hi, sweetie pies.
This is looking down right directly over the river. This is the Colorado River that flows through this canyon. This is the road we came down to get here.
Well, I guess as we get down there, one of us can get them all this way to see it.
Lake Mead is that way behind that wall. Water is not above us or on either side of us, it's back of that wall. That wall is 107 feet thick. That's good. Because we're on a level now at the bottom of Lake Mead. And the force on the other side of that wall, on the face of Hoover Dam at the bottom, the force is 45,000 pounds per square foot. Hoover Dam at the base is 660 feet thick. For a picture of that, think of 2 1/5 football fields end to end. That's the thickness of the dam at the base. Up at the top where the highway goes across, just 45 feet thick, and it's a little less than a quarter of a mile across the canyon walls. Floors are terrazzo. Terrazzo is marble chips in concrete. These floors were put down here in 1936, and since then, 25 million visitors have walked through here, plus workers back and forth constantly. Floors look as good as ever. Throughout the dam on the floor, you'll see designs such as this one. They're taken from American Indian pottery and essences. Now let's wait for 2 more elevator loads.
Spins, boys, and produces electricity.
There are 3 main reasons for building Hoover Dam. The first and most important is flood control. Secondly, water regulation for irrigation downstream. The third reason is the production of electrical power. We're standing now in the Nevada wing of the power plant. There is a similar wing on the Arizona side. We'll pass through that in the course of our tour. Look now at the generating units. Each generating unit produces enough electricity for a city of 65,000 people. Those units with light bulbs lit on top are currently in operation. Look closer at the first unit. Note the lighted window. Inside you can see the shaft. I'm sorry, the window's not lit. It should be, but it's not. You can still see the shaft look more. Now, if you look back the way you came, I think you'll agree that's like Hoover Dam Tower, 726 feet above bedrock, 560 feet above your heads. It's further from here to the top than the Washington Monument is tall. You're looking at 4.25 million cubic yards of concrete. And that's enough concrete to build a 2-lane highway from New York City all the way to San Francisco. Hoover Dam backs up from Colorado River under normal circumstances never reaches the ocean. It is unused up. Looking across the way, one is large silver flood-like objects. These are transformers. The generators produce electricity at 16,500 volts. Up on top of the hill for the men to live in. It was considered to be too hot for anybody to live down here in the summertime, so they built their camp up on top where it's cooler, calling it Boulder City, and of course Boulder City is still there. And what those workers knew was they camped outside of Boulder City, living in tents or even in the open. There were at times as many as 10,000 men waiting for a job. That was the Great Depression. Another interesting fact about the dam is that there's no heating or cooling in the entire dam. Because of its great size, it stays much this same temperature year-round. The range is 62 to 74 degrees regardless of outside temperature. A large pipe above your heads is used to draw in dry desert air, which is then circulated through the dam both for fresh air and to prevent condensation. And that's the air we feel moving around. The original cost of Hoover Dam, Boulder City, and the All-American Canal System was $175 million.
I want to go with you, okay? But I didn't see 2 jets going together side
Once you
by
get in
side.
the
It's
garden,
almost
Gloria.
That impressed me. Because that was close.
Yeah, I saw him. I turned right away. Look at all these cacti.
Yeah, I usually got to talk just a little louder, John. Pick it up.
Look at all those beautiful cacti.
Did you hear that from Doug, everybody?
Shoot.
Isn't that nice? It's just like being in a desert, so Kurt's dreams are fulfilled. Isn't that beautiful, boys?
Tombstone logo.
Sure it is. You gotta get him for copyright infringement.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's just
Notched.
Here's an interesting specimen, real spiny looking.
Here we are, still at the Ethel Emmon.
Hi there.
Isn't this pretty? This is a cactus garden.
It's pretty until you look at Kurt.
Bye.
But then
It's
it
a
gets
pretty
even
place.
worse when we look at Dougley.
Yes. This is my darling sister. With my cheese. Hi there. How are you? It's been fun.
Isn't this
Hello,
nice?
everybody.
Come on, Grandma.
She's trying to walk away, but she realizes
That's what happened.
this is how we loved it when we were little and Mama would sit there. Come on.
Talk to the camera.
Come on, Dougley.
And this is, you see, this is how it is.
You guys ever did feel this? This is the sharpest thing you've ever felt.
Here's Gloria utterly amazed at the sharpness
The
of it.
sharpest thing I ever felt. I wish you could feel it.
Hi. your keys, Uncle Kurt.
And shell molding line. The room temperature is kept at a constant 65 degrees Fahrenheit, the exact temperature to maintain the quality and freshness of the newly made chocolate. This is our packing line. All pre-packed assortments are packed on this line. A conveyor belt slowly carries individual boxes of our many varieties of chocolates past the packing associates. Each associate carefully chooses the correct number and assortment of pieces that comprise our many popular assortments. When the 1 pound boxes are complete, brings out the shine and luster of the
They're
chocolate.
sitting out there saying,
Box yesterday is right across the street. And that is located right next
all
to
I'm
the
seeing
Stardust.
is a blur of lights.
yeah, because it can't focus, forget it. This is Circus, but this isn't the front entrance. That's the shuttle there. Those moving lines. And this is just one of the parts of Circus.
This is gonna look really nice.
Circus Manor. So.
Do you have it zoomed in so you can see
Yeah.
it? Good.
There's the big Circus sign. This is the main entrance to Circus, which is where we stayed. This is the casino next to ours. This is just standing here, going in circles. On the strip. Too bad we can't get a zoom in on Stardust. Big
Yeah,
sign.
we'll walk up a little ways.
Really? I don't
You
want
bet, yes. It's only a little bit.
But it's all gonna look the same.
No.
Here's the improv show we saw. There's your name. Say hi to your family.
Yeah, huh? Zoom in.
Is that what this is?
Yeah.
Even McDonald's lights up, kids.
Yeah.
We'll send it to you. Did you hear him say hi, Mom?
No,
He waved and said hi, Mom.
he wasn't in it though, because I had it pointed. Yes, layout.
Yeah.
I was zoom in so you can read it.
Zip
Free
back
circus
into this
ads.
little entrance over here on the side. You get a picture of this burger.
Well, Tom, if you ever wanted to decide where to get married on the run, here it is. Get married at the wedding chapel. Immediate weddings.